This all. CSS by tag name, how you write. CSS by tag group, how you write. CSS by ID, how you write. And CSS by class, how you write. And these 5 methods are applicable in internal and external as import. All 3 methods you can write anywhere, it will work. Okay. Next, after that, we have created one template also. The template was under the internal CSS folder, and that file was template1.html. We'll open this file. That is, we have divided the page into multiple blocks. Simple, right? Okay. So we are going to understand next. We are going to understand next the row and columns. Row and column in the sense when you are dividing as a row wise, top to bottom, you can say purple is one block, white is another row, blue is another row, sky blue. This becomes a row. So in this, you will give the height. It will be managed, no problem. Height, width will be by default for block level element 100%. The main problem is under the column level calculation. Like while calculating, while creating the multiple blocks, like how to calculate the internal, inside the space, outside of the space, and after that, again, while creating the page, if you are targeting for one device, then in the market there is a different type of user. Everyone has different type of device. So again, problem will come. It will work in one device, it will not work in another device. So our page should be in such a way that should work in all the device. Large also, small also, medium also. Okay. So first we'll work on the column level calculation, one example, and then that is called template 2. And after that, we'll go for the next. Okay. So create next file template2.html. Template2.html. Template2.html in the same folder. Which folder? Internal. Template2.html file. In this file, HTML you can start here. Follow the head section. Under head section, write the style. For body tag, write margin 0px. margin 0px. Follow the body tag. Under the body tag, write a tag called ul li e also. Home. Now for this ul, you will give id equal to main menu. Main menu. id equal to main menu. Now under the main menu, you can keep multiple li. Add that. About us. Our services. Technologies. Clients. Products. Contractors. Home, about us, our services, technologies, client, product, and contractors. Right, so our menus are ready. Next, after that, last class we have written ul we have made directly as a parent. Now ul you are not going to make parent. Main menu you are going to make as a parent. The main menu is calling by id. We have to follow here. Menu. Under the main menu, background, purple, any color, your wish. Padding, px, margin, 0px. Next, enter the main menu of li. The main menu, whichever the li is there, this place should be inline. Here also padding should be. What I will write from top 18px, left right 25px, bottom as a 18px. First number from top, second number from left right, last number from bottom. Then you will write has main menu of li space A. Under the main menu, whichever the li is there, under that li, if a tag is there, their color should be in white color, and their text decoration should be, there should not be any underline. Check now. You will find one menu will come in one line, white and purple color combination. Text will be in the white color. Text will be in the white color. And background will be purple color. Is here. Something like this. Where you have written a tag, put a little bold. Font hyphen weight as bold. Font weight bold. The text will be little bold. Yes, no reply should come, will be helpful to move next. If working, you can let me know. So look like this, bold. UL to UL. CSS code I sent you in the chat. So hope everyone looks similar or different. Come now. When you move the mouse on li hash main menu of li colon hover. When you move your mouse on li tag, the background of li should convert into green color. The background should convert into green color. Li background. And cursor colon pointer. Once the cursor will go over there, it will convert into pointer as well. Colon hover together. Li colon hover together. No space. Li colon hover. You have to write together. Continue. Something like this. But maybe after one or two example, once you move the mouse on main menu, the menu will open. Menu and some. But for that, some more practice is required. Then it will be easy to understand. Else will become little complex.
Sir, cursor dot pointer means what?
When cursor will go here, no, when the cursor will go, can you see it's converted into hand symbol?
Okay, okay.
That is called cursor pointer.
Oh, cursor. Oh, yeah, cursor put line. Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Next.
Sir, my cursor not hover is not working.
You have to write continuous. Have you given a space here?
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, space I have given here.
No, a space is not required. You have to give together
Okay, sorry.
without a space.
Yeah, yeah.
Working now?
Yeah, it's working.
Come now. Next after this. So UL to UL is over. Next after UL, we will use a tag called section tag. And for that section tag, section tag, we can write ID equal to banner. 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 And keep inside call CSS static CSS static banner. CSS static banner. Come next. We will write the CSS for this banner. Has banner. Has banner. We will write here background of banner sky blue or maybe yellow. Padding of banner 100 px. Padding where left, right, top, bottom, all the sides. Text hyphen align. Center. Text hyphen align. Center. Next, after that, height. One somewhere 200 px. The text what we are displaying, their font size 80 pixel. 80 px. Font size 80 px. Background, padding, text align, height, font size, and color also. Background is which background? Yellow. On yellow, which color will fit properly? Black, red, depend. You can write anything. Save now and check once. It will look like it is something yellow banner with the black color. Maybe next to next example, we'll write animation where background will change, text color will change. Background color will also change, text color will also change. We can set the timer in that. See what to do. This is which color you are given? Yellow color. So here on hover also give a yellow color only. Okay. On hover give color as a yellow color. On hover, what background we are given? Green. Try with yellow. It will match. Li colon hover, we are given background is yellow. Here also let it be which color? Yellow color. See, it look like this. Oh, a space is coming in between. A space is coming little. Okay. Because under the UL, okay, or hold on. That maybe will be the target of next example. In one example, will not add many things. It may lead you to the confusion area. So hover of which color was before? Green, let it be green. Below which color he wrote? Yellow, let it be no problem. Let it be separate color. Next example we can mix together. Calm down. Okay. Now, if banner is working, will come down. If banner is working, will come down. After banner, we will use a tag from CSS3 from HTML5 that is called footer. Footer is HTML5 tag. Section is HTML5 tag. Footer and section both are from where? HTML5. Not working. Here. Will background purple spelling is wrong. You are here. This. Okay. Okay. Now come to the footer. A paragraph here. Write something. Contact number. Now we'll write a small CSS for this footer tag. We will write a small CSS for this footer tag. For footer tag, no need to give ID because footer will be available only one time. There is no any concept of, you can say, mixing or confusion or collapse of the CSS. So let it be footer as a footer only. Write directly CSS for the tag name footer. What should happen in that? Background of the footer should be black color or maybe blue color. Color of the footer should be white color. The text color should come in white. Text hyphen align should be centered. And then padding should be 15 px. Right? Padding should be 15 px. Padding as a 15 px. After that, after that, height also you can give something 100 px. Saving, check now. Save now. Check how that look. Footer is coming in the blue color. Footer will not be here directly. Footer will be at last. We will see for that. Now, Yes, no, look similar or different? Similar. One person log out, Y log out.
Working, sir.
Working.
Working, sir.
Abhi, Arvind. Arvind is there or not? Arvind is there, okay. Okay, cool then. If problem come, let me know. Multiple options are there. Okay, cool then. Now see, between section and footer. Okay, upper is the banner and last is the footer. Between both, we are going to put the another section tag to keep multiple types of contents. Section open close. ID equal to container. In that container, ID equal to container. In that container, right one, h1 tag, give ID equal to title. Right here, welcome to medical planet. To medical planet.
Sir,
Hello.
yes, sir. Sir, I am not getting why a href is equal to hash. Hash means what, sir?
Hash means if you click on that, it will not go to any other page. It will not
Okay.
give hash. You have to give the file name. If you will not give file name,
Okay.
if you click on that, page will get refreshed. Suppose if
Okay.
I go to my browser, if I click on any link, page is refreshing.
Yes, sir. So
Yes.
instead of writing something, we can write any symbol also.
Not any symbol.
Only hash.
Only hash. If you have no page name, then you can give as a hash. Hash
Okay.
means
Okay.
what? We are blocking. Don't go to anywhere. Understand?
Okay.
Hash meaning is what? We are blocking that. Saying like, don't go anywhere. Be in the same page. See, all our hyperlink. Usually we have learned if you click on hyperlink, what will happen? It will go to the next page. Go or not? Let me show you.
Yes.
Suppose home. Okay. In home, if I'll not give anything, you will see. In about also let me. I will not give anything. Okay. Remaining place has are there. Let's come to the browser. You can see I am clicking on client. Page is refreshed. No. If I click anywhere, this side page is refreshing. No. But if I click on home, you can see page got refreshed. Page got refreshed. Is or not? See here. When I click on this hyperlink, home and about, page is getting refreshed. You can see, look at this round reload page. Getting refreshed. Same time,
Yes, sir.
click on client and product is not getting reload. Why? Because in other links, we are given as a hash. We have blocked the page reloading using which symbol? Hash symbol. If you will not give hash, your current page will get reloaded. Or you have to give the file name where it has to go. So we are saying we don't have any other page, so please don't go anywhere. Be on the same page. Okay.
Okay.
So clear. What is the meaning of hash? Definition you want? If
Yes, sir.
class, what is the meaning of hash in hyperlink? Using hash, we block the page reloading. Okay, you can even ask why we use hash in the HREF. We can say using hash, we block the page reloading. That's the definition of that. Using hash, we block the page reloading, or we block the page from reloading. We block the page from reloading. It should not reload. So for that, what we follow? Follow as a hash. Don't go anywhere. Once you learn the CSS, in that hash will represent the ID. Hash will represent the ID. Okay. Go ahead next. Come down. Now we have to write the CSS for this one. For college container. Let's go next. One day we have gone through the mean height. To remember mean height. What is the use of that? Mean height used to set the minimum height for a container. Okay. Tag you don't call it a tag. Okay. Tag you don't call it a tag. It look like little less valuable word. Okay. Tag you call is a element. Okay. The sentence will look valuable sentence. Okay. Okay. So we can say mean height used to set the minimum height for a element, or mean height used to set the minimum height for a container. Container also we can say. It's not like here I have created the container, so I'm talking container. All the HTML tags you can address by the word called container also. Or all the HTML tags you can address by element also. And all the HTML tags we can address by any other name. Selector. CSS we are written no selector. Right? By the college, by the name called selector. Okay. So better, more valuable word will be element or container. Okay. Footer is a container. Footer is a tag, but we are not calling as a tag. We are calling as a container. It's called as an element. For this container, you can set height, not height, mean height. Mean height 500 px. Width. Okay, don't give width. Padding we have discussed one day. Remember? Padding, how many we have? Padding only means all the side. Padding left means left side. Padding right, padding top, padding bottom. It is not going to apply the space out of the container. It is not going to apply the space out of element. It is going to apply the space inside of container. Okay. What we want now? We can write padding 3 times also. Padding top 0, padding bottom 0, padding left 30, padding right 30. So how many times you have to write? 4 times. Shortcut is there. Using one padding, we can manage all the side. Okay, so padding first number from where? Top. Second number left and right. So second number will give in percentage. Example 10%. First is 10 px, 10 px, and last is first is 10 p, like from the top 10 pixel. Okay, left right we are saying is a 10%. If you are opening the mobile phone, you open the laptop, desktop, tab, opening the large projector, no matter wherever you open, it is going to leave the content is going to give the 10% gap in the left and going to give 10% gap in the right. Bottom also give 10 px. Minimum height and this much. Now let's check how it is. Your footer should go to the last. Footer should go to the last. Footer gone to the last. It is here. Before this, there is a gap of 10 pixel. Left side is a 10% gap. Right side also will be gap. This white block become the minimum height of 500. Come next. You have created one ID called title. Title. Okay. Or we can write here hash title. Hash title. Text hyphen align center. Font hyphen size. Font size 30 px. Color orange color. Color orange color. Check now. Title is coming in orange color. Font size will be 30 px. In center somewhere. Next, after that, under the container, under the HTML part I'm talking, under the container, write some this one text. Add some text so that it should feel like content should not be empty. It should have something. So we'll go here and after H1, I will use a P tag, and under the P tag, we can write some okay, let's go ahead. Text appear like this. Now, within the container only, after paragraph, we will display some image tag. Use img src. img src 1.jpg, img src 1.jpg, class equal to my pick. Repeat this 4 times. In current folder, you have to keep one photo. in current folder keep one photo that should be 1.jpg. Of written photo you kept in current folder, in internal folder. Photo is not there. Please keep some photo. Keep some photo in internal folder. Photo I will share in the chat also if required. Check now. If you run your page, photo will come big size photo. Covering all. Now using the CSS, we need to manage that. So first check your photo is coming big size. If the photo appear big size, then no problem. We can control it, but the photo must appear.
Sir, in my this all the photos are coming side by side.
Photo is coming side by side.
Yes, sir.
It's a small photo or how bigger?
So small photo only.
Because of that, photo will come by default side by side only. Mine photo is big size photo. So that it is going to the new line. We are going to write the CSS to pull down in the new line
Yes, sir.
or to keep in the same line.
So mine is not working. Photo not coming to the page actually.
Photo not coming.
No.
You have photo in current folder.
Yeah. Internal, right?
Yes. What is the photo name?
Photo name is Vivek.jpg.
What you are calling here?
One.
1.jpg or Vivek.jpg?
File name we should give now.
What is your file name? Vivek.jpg, right? That only.
Yes. Yes, sir. So
Right.
what should I write?
Then check.
One second.
Okay, we will write the CSS now for this my pick is a class. My pick is a class. My pick is a class. In that you will write here width for the photo somewhere 21. First give margin 1%. 1%. 4 are there, 25 come 23. So keep the width here 22.5%. Keep height also 200 here somewhere. Okay, cool. Check now. So height is how much? See, 4 photos are coming in one line. Your photo is loading or not? A person has a problem in photo loading. Working. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir, it's working.
Sir, mine is not working.
Photo will not work in those cases if the photo is not in current folder. If the photo is in current folder, but the extension is different. Extension is different.
Sir, still photos are coming in very big size.
Class you have not written properly. For photo, what is the class name you have written? What is the class for the photo?
My pic only.
Send your CSS code in chat. I will guide you. What is the problem?
Okay.
Please calm down.
Share your CSS code in chat. I will guide you the problem. My pick margin 1%. After width, you have not given semicolon.
Please come down, sir.
Sorry, after width, you have not given semicolon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please check and get ready.
Sir, it is coming, but images are not clear. Very thin lines are coming.
Okay, so someone have asked something. Please come again. Photo was not coming for some person.
Yes, sir, for me only.
Not coming still.
Sir, it is coming, but it is coming like stick one small. 4 lines are coming, sir. It is not visible.
Very small. Okay, here is the problem. Instead of 22.5%, you have written 22 pixel. Check once. Is it the percentage or pixel? I will share you this my code. You can use this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is getting.
Cutting coming now.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Instead of percentage, you have written pixel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll move next. Next target is the navigation. You can see navigation. When you are scrolling down, you can see navigation is getting hide somewhere. Getting hide. We want to fix that navigation. Whether user do scroll up, down, no problem. Menu that will be there only. In CSS, we have a property called position. Go to the main menu. Main menu. Main menu. In main menu, you will add here first width. Once you add the position, width you have to apply. Width 100%. Width 100%. Okay. Width 100%. Next, after that, width 100%. After that, position fixed. Position is a fixed. Width 100%, position is a fixed. Now become fixed on the top.
Yes, sir, it is fixed now.
Become as a fixed completely. Width property is required, width 100%, and then position as a fixed. No, working. Come down. You have the image here. When the mouse will go to the image, we have a property in CSS. That property name is called opacity. Opacity. Okay, using opacity property, you can increase and decrease the brightness of photo. Yes, blur is different thing. Blur means a small photo you are making large and large photo you are making small. There the photo will become blur. Quality will break down. Opacity is something else. Photo quality remains same. Just it will feel like dark is happening. It feel like in mobile phone we have no opacity. When we send the photo somewhere, there will be option. Okay, which color you want? Gray, yellow, orange, something, right? That is it as a what? Opacity only. It increase, decrease the brightness. We convert from color to black and white. That is called what? Opacity. Not exact opacity, but similar to opacity. Okay. So let's go. We are going to apply the opacity to the image. How to apply? Let's come down. You have written a class here. Class name is called mypic. So we will go here. Dot mypic colon hover. Dot mypic colon hover. Hover means once you touch by mouse, then first cursor should convert into pointer, and after that opacity will convert into 0.5. 0.1 is the lowest brightness and 1 is the highest brightness. We made 0.5. So what will happen? Brightness will become half.
Can you show me the main menu code under the body?
Under body, what you want to see?
Main menu.
Here is the main menu.
No, sir. The top only, sir. Background purple, padding 18px. That
Here.
one. Yeah, that one.
Yes, is here.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Please calm down. I will CSS down. Yeah, just a minute.
Okay, check now, come up, save it, move the mouse here. Opacity is ending. That is called opacity. Using that, we can increase, decrease the brightness of photo. Okay, so one binary is already one template. Yesterday template was little basic. This become little more meaningful. Next template will be more meaningful. Next template, what it will be? Next template will be where this menu, what you see, everything will be same. Menu will convert into sub menu. Technology once you go, sub menu will open. Services once you go, sub menu will open. Product once you go, sub menu will open. All same file will copy paste and we'll add the sub menu as well. Okay, let's create next file. I have time today. We can be, I don't have to go somewhere. So we can spend some 10-15 more minutes. Create next file, template3.html. Template3.html. We can take the copy of template2. Okay, और let's see. Menu sub menu में maybe confusion कर रही हूँ. Keep that one fourth or fifth. In this file, the template3 what we have created. In template3, we will see the example of something else that we have seen on internet many times. Suppose there is a word called single pager application. Single pager application. Okay, single pager application. Single pager application, what it says, single pager application says like you will have only one page, but when you click on the links, content will change here. Okay, when you click on the links, content will get changed here. Let's work on that. So previous template2 we have left now. We are under which file? Template3. Template2 better you close from here. Template1 better you close from here. Let it open template3. Else you will modify in the 2 and you will search in 3. Both are looking similar. Better close the previous file. How many times you have used the section tag? 2 times as of now? 2 times no? Let's go. Write one CSS here for section tag. Has, not has, directly section. Padding of the section, keep how much? 100, that might we have written already. And give the minimum height of the section 500 px. Or 400. 500 will become more. 400 px. Next, after that, see what will happen. Whichever the section tag we have, their height will convert into minimum how much? 400, minimum 400, and padding already we are given, so padding will be there, no problem at all. Okay, so this is what this is called. Oh, look at here. One place we are given container also. For container, anywhere we are written the height. Check once. For container, what is the height? 500 is the mean height, correct? Remove height from here. From container, remove the height. Let it be. Container is also section only. So how much height should get apply? 400 and padding 100 top and 100 bottom. Total will become a 600. See it now. So more space should get applied or less space? Less space. Padding. Oh, this padding is making problem now. 100 pixel what we are given. Okay, no problem. Will not make much complicated. So we got two sections. One is the banner, another one is which one? Container, right? Let's come up. Height, if we are not removing, no matter. For container, what was the height? Minimum 500 was there, no? Let it return back that line. Don't modify that. Let it be min height 500. So that is also okay. So overall, we have not modified anything in this file. We have added one line, that is called this one. Section padding how much? 100 px. Now look at here. In your current page, how many sections you have now? Two sections. First section, what is the ID? Banner. Second section, what is the ID? Container. Let's go here. Once we click on home, it will address to banner. Hash banner. Hash banner. Here what will happen once you click on home, in browser URL, hash banner will come. So what will happen? The banner section will be the front section of your screen. In about case, you are going to call the second one. What is the second one? Hash container. So once you click on about us, the front, the main middle point of your screen, top point of the screen will become as a container. Save the file. Refresh that. Click on home and about us. See, are you finding any difference? Turn the file, click on home and about us. Anything up down is happening?
Yes, sir.
Home will represent the banner as the middle part.
Yes, when it is about us,
Yes, sir, working.
Let me show you. It should look like this. As of now, when I click on home, the banner is the front part. When I click on about us, see what happened. This came as a front part, right? But it's hiding inside little. Home is okay here. Home about. See, contents are changing little. Now inside this, see here. Under the container, do you find we need to give some space from top? We should give some space from top or not? Because the content are hiding inside. I will suggest you go to the container. In container, padding how much you are written? 10, convert into 100. Bottom also convert into 100. Top 100, bottom 100. So you will find up also a space and bottom also sufficient space. Okay, ready? See like this. Space got apply. Click on home. First will come. Click on home. Second will come. Now space is there. Proper space. Page is only one. The content is moving up down.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Mine is not working. The page showing the previous page.
You are running the previous page. Run the third page. Template 3. Run the template 3. It should work. Go here. In this page now, add one more property. See here. When I click here, what is happening? It's happening little fast. Fast happening or not? Content is changing very fast. Let's keep it smooth. You will add one property here for HTML tag. Add property behavior smooth. Scroll hyphen behavior. Scroll behavior smooth. Scroll behavior smooth. Scroll behavior smooth. Scroll behavior smooth. See here, when you click on home, slowly it will come. It's feel like no, it's coming up and going down. Earlier it was happening fast, but now it's happening little slow. We will work on this tomorrow again. This all pages will create in the same page. We will add all the sections. Some more section will add, and then we'll come to know single page application how to create. In one page, multiple functionality. You let something?